So exercise 2.7 is backwards from what we did in exercise 2.5. So this time we're looking at the different transactions in a accounting equation format, which is just a learning tool for us as we're trying to get accustomed to which items go in which parts of the equation. So we're just going to take a look at each one of these lines in this equation, and we're going to work backwards and see if we can say what happened. Okay, so we're showing our beginning balances in the problem, and number 1 shows that we had an increase of $10,000 in cash, and we had an increase of $10,000 in revenue. Whenever we get revenue, let's see, looking up at the kind of company it is, it's an auto repair company. So we have obviously repaired somebody's car, and we earned fees of $10,000 cash. So if you were going to write that in number 1, you could put services were performed for cash. Looking at number 2, it looks like we are showing $7,600 going out of our cash account, and we are showing $7,600 in our equipment account. So it looks like we purchased equipment for cash. That's pretty easy. Number 3, we are decreasing our cash account by $3,800, and we are decreasing our accounts payable by $3,800. So whenever we're decreasing accounts payable, that means we're paying on a loan or a bill that we were able to take a month to pay, for example. So we're paying on one of our creditors, and we used cash. Number 4 is showing a decrease in cash of $6,700 and an expense increase of $6,700. It's kind of a lot of money. Maybe that's the salary for a guy who works for Beck's Auto Repair Company. So perhaps it's a salary expense. In item number 5, we're showing an increase of cash for $1,500 and a decrease of cash in accounts receivable. Accounts receivable is the account that we have for our customers who we did service for, but they are owing us, so we're billing them later. Okay, so in this case, someone from one of our customers that owes us money paid us $1,500, and so we're reducing the amount that they owe us by $1,500. And number 6, we are increasing our accounts receivable by $12,000. Somebody, one of our customers, owes us $12,000, and we are marking that as revenue in the revenue column. So we performed a service. Maybe we fixed a car that was crashed. We are earning $12,000 in revenue, and our client or our customer is going to be paying us in the month. So that's where the accounts receivable is landing. The last one, number 7, we are decreasing cash by $4,100, and we are increasing our expenses by $4,100. And we don't know anything else, so we just assume that we have some sort of a regular expense. So a regular expense is like advertising, phone expenses, utilities expenses, something like that. Rent expense, perhaps. All right, so we've paid in cash one of our expenses. That's it for exercise 2.7. I didn't bother writing those down. I think you guys can figure that out and write down your own little description.